We will now go ahead and understand what one means by the difference of two sets A and B. It is not the same but very similar to the difference of two numbers that we all are familiar already. Look at this Venn diagram. You have a set A, you have a set B with some possible intersection. Now look at this shaded region. What do you think this is? This is simply that part of A with commonalities between A and B removed. This is denoted by A minus of B. Now, this is not the typical 10 minus 8 equals 2 that we know in arithmetic. It is slightly different from the typical subtraction. What you remove is not the whole of B from A. You only remove that part of B which is already in A. This is called the difference between two sets. Let me illustrate this with an example. Let A be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B be equal to 10, 5, 30, 6 and 100. So what is A minus B? So in A you have 5, 6. It is also present in B, 5, 6. The rest are not in A, 10, 30 and 100. They are not in A. So A minus B will simply be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Note that A minus B need not be equal to B minus A. Isn't it clear from the example we saw just now? A minus B in our example in this Venn diagram happens to be 1, 2, 3 and 4. But B minus A happens to be 10, 30 and 100. In fact, they are disjoint. A minus B and B minus A are actually always disjoint. You can observe this. You cannot have a common element in A minus A and B minus A. In fact, one can show that A minus B intersection B minus A is always an empty set. I leave that as an exercise problem for you all to explore.